Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a table to your Squarespace website. And I'm actually going to be doing this using a free tool. I'll add this to the first link in the description. This is a free table generator for Squarespace that I'm going to be showing you how to use in this video. This is on the SEO Space website. We made the SEO plugin for Squarespace. And this is a blog on our site. I'll add a link to this in the description. Now, adding a table to your Squarespace website can be an amazing way in order to show different information. It's also really good for SEO. So because we're the Squarespace SEO experts, you'll often see that we've got tables on our blog posts on Squarespace because they're great ways to display information, but it's also a really great way in order to follow best practices and show up higher on search engines. And what this tool is actually going to enable you to do, it's actually going to create the code needed in order to create a table. So if you do want to create a table on Squarespace that is styled to your liking, I do actually recommend that you use code. And don't worry, you don't have to be a coding expert. You can just use this free tool. Now, all you need to do first is select the number of rows and columns that you want. So here, I'm just going to select, I want 3 rows and I want 4 columns. From there, you can choose the colors for the table. So I'm going to keep the text like this. However, I want to have the heading a little bit darker. I'm going to have this, I'm going to make it, like that. The rows, I'm going to keep it quite light, and then I can create the content for this form. As you can see here, we can enter the column headers. So I'm just going to do header 1, 2, and 3, and I'll do a little bit of a time lapse here as I fill it in. So as you can see here, we've filled this all in, and then from there, I just need to generate table code. As you can see here, this is actually the code itself, and we can copy to a clipboard here. We've copied this to the clipboard, and then all you need to do is head over to the Squarespace editor. Once you're here, you need to click plus, and then you need to actually add a code block into your Squarespace website. So click code here. Once this has been added, all you need to do is paste the code you just generated. And then here you'll see that we've got this really well formatted table that we've added to our Squarespace website completely for free using this code generator. Now, if there's anything actually that you want to then style further and beyond what you can actually do in our table generator, I actually recommend that you take the code, paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to change the table to your liking. So let's say, for example, you wanted to actually change the size of this header text, but you don't know how to code. Do not worry, because all I personally do is I'll head over to ChatGPT. I will say below is code for a table. I want you to make the text of the column headers 50% larger. And then if you paste it and then go from there, ChatGPT will then rewrite this code in order to make sure that anything that you actually want it to do is done. So as you can see here, font size for the headers is going to be 150% larger. So once this is done, all we need to do is go over to here, replace this text. And then as you can see, the header text is larger. So it really is that easy nowadays in order to generate code. Hopefully this free table generator can get you a really good starting point, and then you can use ChatGPT or your preferred AI tool from there in order to make that better. So there you are, guys. Now you know how to add a table to your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to SEO Space's YouTube channel, and I'll also add a link to sign up to a 7-day free trial of SEO Space. We've got tons of other tools in order to make Squarespace SEO and getting your Squarespace website found much easier. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.